Welcome to the most exciting coin discovery of your life. Today, we're diving into the mysterious and ultra-rare bicentennial coins, an ordinary-looking coin with the power to make you a millionaire overnight. If you've got this hidden gem in your pocket, your entire future could change in an instant. Let's unlock the secrets behind this legendary piece of treasure. First, there is a hidden treasure that many people overlook, tucked away in old drawers and forgotten piggy banks. The legendary Australian bicentennial 1-cent coin from 1972, bearing the proud portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. To the ordinary eye, it may seem like just another piece of copper, but to a true collector or an auction house, it is pure gold, a sleeping giant of unimaginable wealth. Some versions of this coin, especially those struck with rare errors or in pristine mint condition, are considered so rare that they could fetch millions of dollars in today's feverish collector's market. This little coin could turn an ordinary day into the beginning of a billionaire's journey. What makes this 1972 1-cent coin so outrageously valuable is not just its age, but its story. 1972 was a time when minting errors were far more common, and in very rare cases, coins were struck off-center, with double imprints, or in wrong metals, giving birth to what collectors call unicorns. These few exceptional pieces, surviving decades in the shadows, are now recognized as priceless artifacts. If you are lucky enough to possess one of these extraordinary examples, you hold in your hand a key capable of unlocking generational wealth. Imagine holding something so small, yet possessing the power to change your fortune overnight. The 1972 1-cent coin, when graded at the highest quality, such as proof or uncirculated, or displaying a unique minting anomaly, can command astronomical prices at auctions. Serious collectors from all over the world, driven by passion and fierce competition, are willing to battle with eye-watering offers just to add such a masterpiece to their collection. This is not just a sale. It is an event, a monumental moment where fortunes are born. Now, let's talk about the Australian 20-cent coin, another hidden titan in the world of coin collecting. While many people casually spend or dismiss these coins, the truth is certain 20-cent coins from the early 1970s, or specific commemorative editions, carry an extraordinary value. Coins with rare minting mistakes, like double heads, missing designs, or misstrikes, can skyrocket in value. Some versions have been whispered about in collector circles, rumored to fetch anywhere from tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on rarity and condition. The magic of these coins lies in their scarcity combined with the demand from elite collectors who want nothing but the best and rarest specimens. A single coin, seemingly insignificant, could outshine gold bars, luxury cars, and even prime real estate in terms of investment returns. If you happen to find one among your change or tucked in an old wallet, you are quite literally holding a lottery ticket. But better, because the value will only continue to grow as time marches on. Imagine walking into an auction house, your humble coin tucked safely in your pocket, and walking out with enough wealth to transform your entire existence. No debts, no financial worries, just freedom, pure and limitless. These coins are silent titans of fortune, waiting for the right person to recognize their worth. They are relics of history that carry not only monetary value but a story of resilience, craftsmanship, and royal legacy. It is no exaggeration to say that holding one of these ultra-rare coins can make you an overnight sensation in the world of wealth. Private collectors, museums, and royal enthusiasts are constantly on the hunt for rare treasures to complete their prestigious collections. When you realize you possess one of these holy grail coins, you suddenly stand at the gateway of a different life. A life where opportunity pours in from every direction, all because of a small piece of history nestled in your palm. So before you brush aside that humble 1-cent or 20-cent coin, take a closer look. Examine every detail, every curve, every flaw, because hidden within the coppery glint or silvery shine might be the key to a destiny richer than your wildest dreams. These coins are more than currency. They are ancient power, dormant potential, and the ultimate symbol that sometimes the smallest things in life carry the greatest fortunes. Second, hidden among everyday coins lies a secret so powerful it could change your life forever. Imagine holding a simple-looking Australian 1-cent coin from 1970 bearing Queen Elizabeth II. A coin that seems ordinary but carries the weight of millions. Yes, millions. This isn't just pocket change, it's a treasure waiting to be discovered. Certain rare issues of this coin, especially with minting errors or untouched condition, are so valuable that selling just one could turn you into an instant billionaire. It's not a fantasy, it's a golden reality hiding in plain sight. The bicentennial Australian 1-cent coin from around 1970-1972 is shrouded in mystery and legendary worth. During those years, a few rare specimens were struck with unique imperfections, making them exceptionally valuable. An off-center strike, a double die error, or even a misprint can turn a simple coin into a multi-million-dollar marvel. Collectors across the globe fight tooth and nail to secure these rare pieces because owning one means holding history, royalty, and untouchable wealth in your hands. Every glance at such a coin is a glimpse into a new future. You might think, surely a small coin can't be that important. But here's the truth. In the world of serious coin collectors and elite investors, rarity is king. A flawless or error-struck 1970-72 Australian 1-cent coin isn't just rare. It's practically extinct. If you stumble upon one, it's like finding a diamond among pebbles. These coins command mind-blowing prices at auction houses, often far beyond initial estimates. One moment you're an ordinary person, the next, you're stepping into a world reserved for billionaires. Now let's talk about another silent fortune, the Australian 20-cent coin. Most people see it as just loose change, but hidden among them are versions so rare that they can transform your life overnight. Coins from the early 1970s, especially those featuring mint errors like double-struck designs, missing details, or wrong metal prints, are pure magic to collectors. Some of these coins are valued higher than luxury cars or oceanfront mansions. The right 20-cent coin can turn your modest savings into an empire overnight. Think about the power you could be holding without even realizing it. One small, overlooked coin could be the secret ticket to a life without limits. These coins are sought after worldwide. Collectors from the United States, Europe, Asia, and beyond are desperate to own them. And when there's this much demand, the price has no ceiling. It keeps rising, pulling your fortune higher and higher, simply because you had the wisdom to recognize what others ignored. Imagine this. You walk into an appraisal office or an auction event, clutching a single small coin. Experts' eyes widen. Whispers fill the room. Bidders battle furiously, driving your coin's value through the stratosphere. When the final gavel falls, you realize you're no longer the same. Your bank account swells, your dreams expand, and your world changes forever. That tiny copper or silver coin becomes the bridge to a new destiny, one you never dared to dream of before. It's not just about the money, either. Owning one of these rare coins makes you part of a secret elite, a guardian of history, a keeper of rare art, a steward of royal legacy. These coins carry stories of a bygone era, craftsmanship, and a slice of national pride. To serious collectors, they are priceless treasures, and to those who own them, they are blessings capable of creating dynasties. So, the next time you see an old 1-cent or 20-cent coin resting quietly among your change, remember, greatness often hides in plain sight. That humble coin could be your silent partner, waiting for you to unlock its true power. Don't spend it lightly. Check it, cherish it, and perhaps, just perhaps, you'll discover that you've been holding a billion-dollar miracle all along. Third, in the world of hidden treasures, few stories shine brighter than the tale of the Australian 1-cent coin from 1978, bearing the noble face of Queen Elizabeth II. To many, it's just a forgotten piece of change, gathering dust at the bottom of an old jar. But to those who know the truth, this coin holds the power of unimaginable wealth, a silent fortune that could turn an ordinary person into a billionaire overnight. One rare version of this tiny coin could make you the owner of a treasure so valuable it would seem almost magical. The 1978 1-cent coin is no ordinary relic. During its minting, rare errors, misstrikes, and flawless condition pieces were created, and these few coins became the legends of Australian numismatics. Whether it's a double die error, an off-metal strike, or a pristine, untouched finish, The value of these coins today defies belief. When collectors see one, they don't just see copper. They see a golden ticket to history, a unique artifact with the power to command millions of dollars on the global stage. Imagine holding such a coin, not even knowing that what sits lightly in your palm could outweigh luxury homes, exotic cars, and diamond jewelry combined. The rarest examples of the 1978 bicentennial Australian 1-cent coin have shattered auction records, soaring to prices once reserved only for royalty. This isn't just a sale, it's an event where history, wealth, and destiny collide. It's the kind of moment that could lift you from ordinary life to a throne of riches without warning. And if you think the magic stops with the 1-cent coin, think again. The Australian 20-cent coin holds its own secrets. Secrets that could explode your fortune overnight. Certain 20-cent coins, especially from the 1960s and 70s, are loaded with rare minting mistakes and anomalies that collectors crave like pure oxygen. Coins with wrong engravings, missing features, or rare metal compositions are not just rare. They are priceless. Owning the right 20-cent coin could mean living the life of kings without lifting a finger. Picture yourself casually spending a 20-cent coin, unaware that you just gave away a fortune worth millions. It sounds like a nightmare, right? Yet it happens more often than you think, simply because people don't know the power hidden in their hands. This is why it's critical, no, essential, to check your old coins, study their marks, and recognize that even the most ordinary piece could be the ticket to a future beyond your dreams. Think about walking into an auction, a small coin clutched tightly in your hand, and watching the room go silent as experts realize what you are holding. Bidders throwing millions onto the table, desperate to claim what you own. And when the final gavel falls, your life transforms forever, all thanks to a coin you once thought was worthless. That's the level of life-changing magic we're talking about. These coins are not just objects, they are time travelers, carrying the spirit of their era, the touch of master craftsmen, and the echo of a queen's reign. Every tiny scratch, every perfect shine, tells a story more valuable than gold itself. And now these silent treasures wait patiently for someone with vision. Someone bold enough to see beyond the ordinary and grasp destiny with both hands. So before you toss aside that 1978 Australian 1-cent or that old 20-cent coin, stop. Take a closer look. You might just be holding the future, not just any future, but a future lined with gold, diamonds, and a legacy that will last for generations. Sometimes the greatest fortunes come wrapped not in glitter and glamour, but in humble copper and silver, waiting for a dreamer like you to discover their true worth.